Okay, proud owner. Beautiful day.
Tween.
There's a plane there somewhere, there it is.
Very stable.
I'll just pause on my glider down there just to get it in the picture, you know.
Touch and go.
Touch and go. Hello, can you go? Spread over the field like strawberry jam.
Yeah, what he said. And a bit of power.
Got inverted, mister.
Yeah. Inverted has results that could be slightly disastrous, as we found out.
Yeah, so I dared him the other about 10 minutes ago and he went inverted and the battery fell out. The bloody thing landed by itself perfectly.
Unplug itself from the rudder.
Clearly going to show that there's no skill by the pilot, it's all aeroplane design. Nice glider in the background.